Cardano has shown very promising signs in the last weeks and months, and I'm not just talking about the price action as it relates to the chart, but just the continuation down their roadmap and the low and slow approach that we talk about on this channel. If you guys follow me and watch my videos, you are aware of how I feel about Cardano, and I want to talk to you guys about in this video is kind of what could happen in the promising nature of this article that I'm going to show you guys, where Cardano can see an uptick above 10% just due to the outright broader markets and how crypto is performing right now. Okay, so I'm going to get into that. We're going to talk a little bit about my feelings on Cardano. All right, so before we get into it though, take care of some business, hit that subscribe button, join us here at Not Your Father's Capital, and let's get down into it. All right, so if we take a quick look at the charts, you can see basically a mixed bag though, but if we look into some of the favorites we talk about, you can see Cardano is down 1.3%. At the time of this recording, trading hands at 35 cents, okay? So let's get down into what actually is happening, because Cardano, according to this article, could be set for an 11% spike. Okay, guys, so this is not financial advice. Please do your own research with all things crypto and financial. I just want to share with you guys this article, and it'll be just a quick update on what is happening with Cardano. All right, so if we look basically in the promising signs of the uptrend that Cardano is showing, there is a potential for an 11% price spike in the near future. Now, this is according to the charts and looking at the 4-hour time frame. All right, now this is all known because of the momentum and the positive momentum crypto has shown in the last weeks. Now, why is that all happening? Well, a lot of people are attributing that to the fallouts and the confidence factor as it relates to the banks. All right, so the banking crisis is continuing to loom, and I think a lot of investors, a lot of crypto investors, are finding refuge into digital currency. Okay, now this is kind of contrary to the belief that crypto, because volatile assets usually do not strive well when we see this kind of activity where you have high periods of fear, high periods of volatility. All right, that's kind of where we're at right now. But I think we're seeing more of the greed index when we talk about what is actually happening, just because I think people are sick of what's happening with central banks and they want to find refuge into something that is positive returning. All right, so crypto is uptrending. That is not to be debated. Whether that continues is left to be seen. However, when we look at some of the way that certain cryptos have been performing, you are definitely seeing an uptrend, especially with Cardano, because their price consolidation, they have not budged off of that 30s level, and if they do go down, they bounce right back up. And they really don't have any catalyst. They have their news coming out with their stablecoin release. They get upgrades, they get updates, they get further down their roadmap. However, there is not really anything that budged them into the next stratosphere in terms of a catalytic factor or a news bombshell dropping. All right. But when we talk about what is happening with this possible 11% surge, basically that 35 cent support level has basically been their consolidation point. And Cardano has kind of slowly and steadily been going up over the last 2 weeks or so with almost an 18% increase in value. Now, basically, as I said earlier in this article, this is attributed to the current banking crisis, and this is just one investor's thought and analysts. When we talk about Cardano, like I said, please do your own research with all things financial. This is not financial advice. But we are seeing Cardano's uptrend being mostly attributed to the banking crisis. And when we talk about what could happen with Cardano, they are consolidating nicely, and we've seen it in the chart, and the upward trajectory is continuing to go up in terms of the analytics backing this upward trend. Okay, so for those of you that are in Cardano, myself, the way I treat Cardano in my bag is more of a dollar cost average position due to the relatively high levels that I bought back in 2021. But I do have some very low entry points from prior to the bull market. Okay, so continuing to dollar cost average in Cardano has been one of my safest bets for my own personal investment strategy as it relates to Cardano. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this article. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Let me know what you guys think about Cardano moving forward. And if you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you all in the next video.